We are going to give Aaliyah an amazing adjustment here. So she has some restriction right here at T3. Those nerves go right to the lungs. So a lot of people have breathing or asthma issues. We found a lot of restriction in that area. When we fix that, they breathe better. Now, Aaliyah works her tail off here in the clinic. She spends a lot of time on the computer. So this area gets really jammed up. Get that like deep knot underneath the scapula, the shoulder blade. We're going to open that up. Oops, relax that. C1. How you doing?
Mm-hmm.
Needed that.
Mm-hmm.